50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art.
Day 16. Humility. Dear God, teach me humility and help me to recognize that I am a part of something greater. Keep me grounded and grateful for all that I have. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Start a composting system in your backyard to reduce food waste.
For unity for a happier world.
Let us strive for unity in our communities, workplaces, and governments to create lasting peace.
What is the purpose of our life?
Life's purpose is to find meaning in the mundane, to appreciate the simple joys, and to live with gratitude.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.